not fair. She's got wings.
You all have once. What's the hold up, kids? Clock's ticking.
Why don't you come give us a hand?
I've got my own boss to deal with.
You got what, 15, 20 out there? You got thousands.
Yeah, well, mine are bigger.
No, not necessarily. When I shrink proportionally.
講真，史達先生對付嘅機械人真係大好多。
Oh, Leslie, give me a break.
I thought she was quite helpful.
Let me know when you two are done comparing bot sizes. We still have work to do.
Everybody, let's help Ant-Man and Wasp fight Zola and his squadrons. Here's our latest intel. These bots may seem tough, but they all have weak spots exposed when they open their cooling vents. Blasting them with your EMP blaster will disable the bot. These highly destructive bots are a Category 1 high-value target. These are Category 2, and this one, 3. Your dagger's onboard computer will track your hits. Remember, aim for the weak spots.
Hey kids, fun fact.
史達先生，請講。
Intel shows Zola is inside one of the bots controlling the rest of the hive.
If we can find that bot and destroy it, it should shut down all the others.
Great plan. That makes about 1,000 bots.
This one.
Look, there's only one bot we care about. The one Zola's in.
On it. Hey, quick, Leslie, look for frequency phase shifts in the Swarm Bots communications network. They'll point you to Zola.
收到 Ant-Man，已經揾人。
Phase shifts are only part of it. Run an asymmetric algorithm to ID the relevant frequencies.
Hey, you see one phase shift, you see them all. Am I right, Iron Man? Tony?
揾到佢啦 ！Zola 匿埋喺一隻由幾百隻機械蟲組裝而成嘅巨型臭蟲入面，正喺度攻擊數據中心。
Nice work, Leslie. Hey guys, pay attention to Leslie's instructions. We need you down here ASAP.
Hey, wait a minute. What if we shrunk everyone so that they could blast the bombs from the inside?
There's a chance it impact their brain chemistry. But you know what? They should be fine. Except that guy with the glasses. I'm a little worried about him.
I'm worried about the guy behind him in that shirt.
事不宜遲，我哋一齊幫 Ant-Man Wasp 攻擊 Zola 啲機械蟲。大家靜睇屏幕，每隻機械蟲都有弱點。當佢哋打開散熱口，就係暴露弱點嘅時候，用脈衝槍對準弱點射擊，就可以令機械蟲停。數據分析顯示，呢啲機械蟲屬於最高數值目標，小心留意佢。同時都要留意呢啲同埋呢隻。總之，大家見到機械蟲就要攻擊。突擊戰車上嘅記錄儀將會記錄你哋嘅擊中率。大家做好準備，繼續前進去。
Leslie, it's chaos down here. Zola's bots are overwhelming the data core.
支持住 Wasp。如果阻止唔到啲機械蟲，神盾局所有關於外星生物同武裝科技嘅研究就會落喺 Zola 手上。
Hey, got an idea. Let's just back up the data core, destroy it before Zola can access it, get out of here, and go have some egg tarts.
Stop. The data core contains hundreds of petabytes of files. We can destroy these bots faster than we can back it up.
Okay, well there's just one flaw in your plan. No egg tarts.
Ant-Man Wasp 戰參戰嘅賓客去緊車庫，準備上突擊戰車。
Great! Remember, shoot the bots, not me.
You mean us?
Yeah, right. Not us. Don't shoot us. You got that? You in the back? Look at him. Looks like he's got terrible aim. I got a bad feeling about this.
You're gonna get shot. I mean, a lot.
I know. Who thought this was a good idea?
Look at them. Look how many of them are on their phones.
I don't even think they're paying attention.
其實我哋仲聽到你哋講緊咩？
You'll do great.
Absolutely. I don't want to die. I really don't want to die.
Everybody, Ant-Man and Wasp need our help to fight Zola. Soon you will encounter Zola's squadrons. We found 5 types of bots. Let me show you. Each has a weak spot exposed when it opens its cooling vent. A direct blast to these weak spots will disable the bot. Based on their destructive capacity, these bots are the highest value targets. Followed by these, and this one. Blast as many bots as you can. Your dagger's onboard computer will track your hits. Good luck, everybody. Let's defeat Zola.
Leslie, it's intense in here. Okay, there's bots. Lots of bots.
Leslie, where are those fallen trees?
你们来互相帮助，4月参战立刻出发，准备搭乘突击战车。突击安全系统要求大家在作战期间做好，将您的胳膊和手脚收好在战车里，并照看好您的小战士。为确保安全，作战期间请 家庭的可用和手枪是核子战车里的定准番号1个小时。至於3字咁樣行住，準備先走入營之前，等呢個場合大家嘅節奏係啱咗。
Get the shirt at the weak spot, but not enough.
立即總軍數據核心，大家記住，用脈衝槍，瞄準機械從入面出擊，大家一齊打埋蘇啦！
And you, pick up your blasters. Time to focus on the mission.
Grab those blasters and get ready to do some damage.
特別戰車會將大家帶到數據核心。 系統顯示所有機械從
people. Oh, why are they still answers?
Scott, time to hit the next big time.
Oh, can't we just keep this? That's pretty good. Think you gonna burn it back up?
大家应用手机，给他给以后先大家呢個重新去問，你哋要手邊小心落車，搭上自動嘅頻道。